Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Indian Yarnivore. This is the second in my series of tutorials on teaching you the basics of crochet. So I hope you have your crochet hook and your piece of yarn ready, and let's get started. Like I explained in the basics video, the first step that we need is to make a slip knot, which is a flexible knot that moves on your crochet hook. So usually, I am a right-handed person, so I hold my crochet hook in my right hand and my yarn in my left hand. So once you have your piece of yarn with you, what you will do is you will place a significant length, so that would be about a hand's length. You will place a length of yarn over your index finger like this. This is my free end. Now what I will do is I will take the yarn around my finger and place a cross across my index finger facing me like this. Now this is what I have on the top of my finger. I have these two loops. So what I will do is I will hold on with my fingers to the loop that is behind my finger, and I will just lift up this first loop. After I lift up the first loop, I will go under this first loop and pick up that second loop. Once I pick up that second loop, I am holding it here between my thumb and index finger. I will pull on that loop and I will remove my index finger from the loop that it was holding on to. And I get what is called a slip knot. And this slip knot is what I will place onto my crochet hook, and I can just pull on both the ends of the yarn to tighten it on my hook. Let me just show you that once again. This is my piece of yarn. This is the free end, and this end is the end that's coming from the ball. I leave about maybe 5 to 6 inches of yarn free. This is the free end, and I will place this yarn over my index finger in this manner. I will wrap it around my index finger and bring it in a cross-like fashion at the front of my finger. Now when I turn over my index finger, I have this loop that goes behind. I will hold on to this loop and I will pick up this loop, which is the first to lie on my index finger. I will go under that loop and pick up this second loop, and I can just let go of that first loop that I had picked up. Now I can remove the index finger of my left hand and I will have this loop in my hand. I can just pull it up and you will have a structure like this. And this is what you are going to place onto your crochet hook and tighten to a degree where it is not extremely tight. I want this to be able to slide up and down my crochet hook. And that, my friends, is the very simple slip knot, and we are ready to move on to our starting chain. See you in my next tutorial. I'm really excited about this series. Bye.